going to show you how to quickly take a screenshot and use Markup tool. So usually you might have clicked two buttons to take a screenshot depending on the device, but now you have the option to do a quick corner gesture. So you can see here I have searched in my settings gestures, and right about here I've turned that on. So if I switch between my images, I'm going to drag up from the bottom corner, and now I have the option to change that website. I've used a website in this case to a full page. If it was a newspaper report or something like that, you could use the full page and drag with two fingers, or I'm just going to use the screen. I'm going to drag down this to make it look a little bit better. Now in English, we've been focusing on images and how they attract the reader's attention and what that means. So I'm just going to annotate that really quickly. Now, obviously you can go through with your students as much depth as they need to for the task, or yourself as a model example, but you can really do this on any piece of text or anything. So if you screenshot a piece of text in your class novel, the student takes a photo and then they activate the markup tool and they can highlight the particular pieces of the text.